Sukadeva Goswami arrived at the point of death of Maharaj Parikshit. Maharaj Parikshit was cursed by a Brahmin boy that he would die within 7 days, bitten by a snake. Just imagine how the Brahminical culture was so powerful that even a boy born in a Brahmin family, he was only 10 or 12 years old, when he heard that his father was insulted by Maharaj Parikshit by garlanding him with his dead snake. His playmates informed him that your father has been insulted in this way. So he retaliated that within 7 days this snake will bite the king and he will die. So when it was fixed up, Maharaj Parikshit was also very powerful. He could retaliate the Brahmins' cursing, but he did not do it. He accepted, yes. Therefore, Lord Shiva said, Narayana parasarvi na kutasya na vibhati. When one is devotee of Narayana, he is not afraid of anything. Narayana parasarve na kutasya na vibhati. He was cursed that within these 7 days he will die. So he was not afraid. That's all right. So he prepared himself, and many learned scholars, saintly persons, kings, even demigods, all approached because he was the emperor of the world and he was going to die. So many big stalwart people, even Vyasdev, he was present there. And Parikshit Maharaj said, now what is my duty? You are all big men present here. I am going to die. Now what is my duty? This is a very important question. That we are working very hard in this material world, but we are not preparing ourselves for death, which is a must fact. Everyone must die. The modern civilization, they are afraid of death, but they do not know how to counteract death. This is the modern civilization. But there is process. In the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna informs us that our real problem of life is death. Birth, death, old age and disease. Birth is the beginning. And then one who has taken birth, he must die. Javat jananam tavat maranam. But if one does not take birth, then he does not die. This is the actual problem. Why we have to take birth? People do not know even that there is again life after death. The Bhagavad Gita's first instruction is Tatha dehantara prapti. Dehinasmin yatha dehi kaumarajo vananga jara. Tatha dehantara prapti. As we are changing our body in this life, from childhood to boyhood, boyhood to youthhood, then old man, then we give up this body. Krishna says, similarly, as I was a child, now I have got a different body. Similarly, when I give up this body, I'll get another body. Tatha dehantara prapti. The people do not even know that there is dehantara prapti. Again we have to accept another body. They do not care for it. And there are so many varieties of body. Just like we have sitting here, so many ladies and gentlemen, each one of us has got a different type of body. Nobody's body is similar exactly to the other body. This is a fact, we can see. So why we have got different types of body? That we do not try to understand. Not only human body, but there are other bodies also. Jalajana Malakhani, Sthavara, Lokavimsati. We have got bodies in the water, we have got bodies on the land, the tree life, the plant life, the insect life, the bird's life, the beast life, the human form of life. Amongst the human beings, there are different varieties, some Americans, some Indians, some others. So why there are different bodies? What is that science? Why there are different types of bodies? The different type of body is due to our different karma and different mentality that we do not know. But Parikshit Maharaj, although he is king, nowadays the kings and president, they are sure that I am Prime Minister and I am President, and my position is secure because he is Prime Minister. This is the difficulty. The big men, they think that my position is secure. I am Prime Minister, I am Rahis, I am Birla, I am big man, so my position is secure. But Parikshit Maharaj did not think like that, although he was the emperor, most powerful king, Parikshit Maharaj. He did not think that I am secure. Because I am emperor of the world, I am secure. No. He immediately become alert. Oh, I will have to die within 7 days, so I must prepare. This is the problem. We do not know whether we are going to die within 7 seconds, because there is no guarantee. Parikshit Maharaj had at least 7 days guarantee that he will die after 7 days. But so far we are concerned, we can go on the stage, there may be any accident, I can die immediately. There are so many deaths that are taking place. The death is sure, and when it will take place, that nobody knows. Therefore, we should take lesson from Maharaj Parikshit that what we are going to prepare for our next life. That is human life. Otherwise it is animal life. The cats and dogs, they do not know what is my next life. They think that they do not know anything. So if a human being does not know what I am preparing for the next life, he is no better than cats and dogs. That is the statement of the Shastra, it is not my statement. Jasyatma buddhi kunapi tridhatuke sadhik kalatra disubhoma ijjati jat tirtha buddhi salile nakarhichet janesu avigneshu saiva gokhara. Gokhara. Go means cows and khara means ass. So anyone who has got this concept that I am this body, I am Indian, I am American, I am Brahman, I am Kshatriya, I am black, I am white, I am fat, I am thin, I am this, I am that. This is Atma Buddhi, Dehatma Buddhi, just Atma Buddhi. One should know that I am not this body. That is real knowledge. That is real knowledge. But nobody knows that. Everyone thinking. The fighting is going on all over the world. Just like Israel and what other the party? Arab. They are thinking that there is this body that fighting. And everywhere is going on. And this body, cats and dogs are fighting.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuda habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao Prabhu nachao se mate Bhakti Vedantanam sartha